What is the interpretation of this story? Why did Ganga meet Shantanu? And why did they get separated under such conditions? What was the curse of the 8 Vasus? While this may not be directly related to the Mahabharata, it is interesting to look at these aspects. There was once a great king of the Ikshvaku dynasty by the name of Mahabhisha. He had conducted 1,000 Ashwamedha yajnas and 100 Rajasuya yajnas, and after his death attained to heaven. He once had the opportunity to visit Brahma's court. All the gods, the demigods, were all seated in the court. When a cool breeze swept through the court, Ganga's top garment slipped down from her breasts. Everyone in the court lowered their gaze. However, Mahabhisha looked at Ganga with great lust in his eyes. Ganga, instead of looking away, also started enjoying the attention. Brahma, who got very angry with this lack of decorum, stated, "Hey Ganga, I curse you to be born on earth, and Mahabhisha, you will also be born on earth, and you will live as husband and wife. But your shameless pursuit of beauty will also be a cause of great distress to yourself." The story of Ashtavasus is also very interesting. Ashtavasus were the 8 demigods. Dhara, also known as Prithvi or earth. Anala, also known as Agni or fire. Anila, also known as Vayu or wind. Apa, that is Varuna or water. Pratyusha, that is Aditya or sun. Prabhasa, also known as Dyaus or sky. Soma, also known as Chandramas or the moon. Dhruva, that is the nakshatras or the stars. Once, the wife of Prabhasa requested her husband to get her a cow that belonged to sage Vashishta. This was no ordinary cow. She was asking for the cow Kamadhenu, which could grant any boon. Prabhasa initially was very reluctant and tries to explain to his wife that what she is asking is very unethical. Eventually, he yields to pressure and along with his 7 brothers ends up stealing the cow when Vashishta was away from the hermitage. When Vashishta returns and finds that Kamadhenu is missing, he uses his power of meditation and figures out the source of this problem. He then curses the Vasus to be born as mortals on earth. The 8 Vasus immediately repent. They come to the hermitage and request sage Vashishta to take back the curse. Sage Vashishta responds, "The curse that I have given cannot be taken back. However, I give you one option. Go find a mother who will agree to give birth to you and kill you that very day. In that case, your life on earth will be very short. However, Prabhasa, because of your wife, you agreed to steal my Kamadhenu. And not only that, if you would have asked me to give the Kamadhenu, I would have given it up gladly. You thought you were a demigod and I was a Brahman, and you were too proud to ask me for the Kamadhenu. Your brothers, therefore, can escape the curse by asking a mother to give them birth and then kill them instantly. You, on the other hand, will have to lead a very long life and experience what it means to be a human. You will have to see life and all of its trials and tribulations, all the joys and sorrows that a human has to go through. You committed a crime by listening to your wife. Therefore, in the human Janma, you will never have the pleasure of being with a wife. The saving grace is that you will be known for your sacrifices and become a great legend." The Ashtavasus then proceeded to look for a mother who could deliver them from this curse. They then approached goddess Ganga and requested her to give them birth. Goddess Ganga agreed. She said, "When I will be born on earth, I will also give birth to you. All 8 of you will grow up in my womb for 9 months. Then when you are born, on the very first day, I will drown you in the river Ganga. Prabhasa, you will be born, but I cannot kill you. You will continue to live as a great legend. A common theme in all Indian mythology is the concept of dharma and also the concept of cause and effect, or karma and phala. Ganga and Mahabhisha had violated the dharma of Brahma's Mahasabha by expressing their sexual pleasure in front of everyone, and therefore they had been cursed to be born on earth. Similarly, the 8 Vasus broke the dharma of the demigods and committed the crime of stealing. Therefore, they had been cursed to be born on earth.